Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to restore factory settings on the TP-Link Archer C80, but it's the same for every TP-Link Archer router. First thing you need to do is to connect to the Wi-Fi network provided by the router. Then you need to open the web browser and input IP address like 192.168.0.1, and you should see the screen like that. And now you need to input the password. The default password is admin. I will input my password. And then you get access to all the settings of the router. To factory reset, you need to click on the advanced, then you need to click on the system, then on the backup and restore, and then on the factory restore. Confirm everything, and now the router is factory resetting. You need to wait a moment. Okay, now the router has been resetted, and you need to configure whole internet connection and other things one more time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us thumb up and subscribe to our channel.